Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
Happy birthday today to Lindsay Chonecki. We hope you have a great day. And now for our joke of the day. Where do snowmen love to dance? At a snowball. We hope you'll help us spread some holiday cheer this week by taking part in one or all of the Orchard Hollow Spirit Days. Today is Tuesday. Shine bright like a light. Light up your wardrobe with holiday lights, glitter, tinsel, and light up necklaces. Just a reminder that we're on our fully remote schedule today. Our day begins at 8:45 with morning meeting and goal setting, and our instructional day will end at 2 p.m. Make it a great day, Huskies!